Good evening. I'm going to be sharing with you a little video how to access the documents that you need in order to score your student work in Nearpod. So this video is really for grades, first grade through fifth grade. I've gone over with some teams how to do this. If you need support, please reach out to me and I'll give you a one-to-one tutorial and we can talk about it. But this video should provide you with enough information that you can go into, again, score your student work. I will then input it. Inputting is different from scoring, but you will need to score it. I will be inputting on a different district page. Again, you have till February 19th. The window is extended so that you can complete this task. So here I am at the AIS Week School-Wide Initiative page. This is where you'll find the video, but if I scroll down to the blue slide, the week of January 28th, and on this first column, I'm going to scroll and I'm going to open up this Google slide, which has all the grade level information on it. And I'm going to move to slide 3. We're going to pretend we're second grade right here. So I've got my Nearpod data back, and on the Nearpod, it will say open end and read it. So now I have that data back. Now I need to go in and score it. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to open up that instructions page. Just make a copy of it so that you have it. If I were myself, I would print this out because this is I'm going to be looking at this many times, or if I can deal with a split screen, or if you have a different computer, have that up. The reason why, if you scroll down on this is second grade, you'll notice it says question number 1, and then you have the rubric 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have to kind of look at this and you have to toggle back over on that student work and identify whether or not the student was a 0. Each student is a 0, 1, 2, or 3 from that student work. Now, let's go into, I'm going to go back to this right here. So that's the instructions. If you wanted to use the note catcher is a tool that you could use to, again, toggle back and forth between the Nearpod, and you could record your data on here. Now, however, you would have to make a copy of the note catcher, 1 copy per student. So I don't know if you want to do that. Myself particularly, I would not do that. I would just kind of toggle between screens. And so what that means is I would have this open, the instructions open. I would have the Nearpod open as well. And then I would go to the Mastery Connect because on the Mastery Connect, on each one of your trackers, I have put the scoring guide. I put the scoring sheet in Mastery Connect for you. So you'll notice that it's there because you'll find on your tracker a column that has grade on it. And that is going to indicate to you that, and if you click on here, you're going to see that this is indeed that mid-year math benchmark screener for you to go in and score. So I'm just going to launch the performance grader. And here's the student, and here is the first question that is asked on here. Okay, so I would look at my Nearpod student score, and personally, I would answer question 1, which has 0, 1, 2, 3. So if a student got 0, 1, 2, 3, I would do that first student, then I would do that second student, third student. I'd do question 1 coming down. And then I'd scroll back up, question 2, I'd look at my rubric and find question 2. Now notice question 2 has 1, 2, and 3, which means on this Mastery Connect, you're not going to score that 0 because there is no 0 on the rubric. So 1, 2, or 3, and I would look at, what the rubric says. Student reads at least one number correctly. Student reads the number but makes self-corrections or reads them correctly on the second attempt. And then student reads the numbers correctly the first time. So I'd listen to it in Nearpod. And then for that first student on number 2, I'm not doing the 0, I'm doing 1, 2, or 3. Then I come down to this next student, then this next student, next student. Okay, that's how I would do it if I were scoring the student work. So again, everybody has the benchmark for scoring on their Mastery Connect. You have a copy of your instructions, which is on the third page of this presentation, that is found on the blue page, of the AIC weekly meetings, and you all have your Nearpod. Again, all this scoring is not due till February 19th. And if you need assistance, please reach out to me. Thank you.